Okay, blow the candle. Sige.
Hello guys, binigyan pala ako ni Mami ng gift. Galing yun sa kanya lahat. Let's open it. I got a makeup sponge and hand cream and my wallet, Gushishi wallet, and I got para pang get ready with me, and I got a nails and get ready with me, basta yan, and perfume. Let's open it. Tagal naman. Yeah. And next na, ay binuksan ko pa pala muna. And next, I got a flower clip and a stand for my stand. Yan, I got a stand. Mamaya ko na daw yan, symbol kasi mahirap, symbol. Yan, and I got a wallet again, a Karumi wallet. I got two wallet and the big I got a hamburger stuffed toy, and I'm 12 years old.
A few inches later.
Ito nga palang aking handa. This is my handa in my birthday, and I got a big hamburger. So let's eat. Let's eat na. That's my handa. I got yan, kita nyo naman yan. Guys, ako lang nakaubos ng Graham. I mean mango float. And time lapse. Because I'm so hungry. Kain tayo! Yan. We got halo-halo. That's so yummy. Napakasarap. Yan. We got a salad. And I got a heart cake. Yan guys. Yung mango float. Ako lang lahat ang kumain niyan. And we got a sinigang. And we got hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dyan yung, and we got yan. Tara kami ng Mr. DIY. Guys, pumunta muna kami ng Mr. DIY kasi may nakalimutan akong bilhin. Now, yan guys, namimili na ako ng bibilhin mo naman. Kumuha pa talaga ako ng kutsara. Panaylakad lang ako namimili. And may hawak akong yung kutsara. Anuhin ko naman yan.
What?
Bye-bye. See you in next year, next month, and next Wednesday.